Alolelele, Fefe Hake, Cyber. How's everybody's day going? Nia here, just doing a quick video on IamToken. So if you're an iPhone user and you need to use IamToken because for the Trust Wallet for iPhone, you can't use the dApps, which is those 4 squares down the bottom. Let me just show you these are called dApps, the 4 squares. So with IamToken or with iPhone, you guys are able to use the dApps, sorry. So when you're buying coins using Uniswap, you'd go to browser, right? Click on your browser. So you click on your browser. In your browser, you will type in Uniswap or just type in Uni. I've already got it there, so I'm going to click on Uniswap. And then you, confirm. All right. And then, you can do your Uniswap. Let's just say 0. I always use this when I'm doing crypto gardening because I saw it first with Shelley Cullen. She does it with Corfi and I've just always stuck to it. So this is how I do my crypto gardening. So, which coin do I want to do? I click on select the token. Let's have a look. Oh, let's get Chainlink. Ever since Shelley talked about Chainlink, let's just do it for the purpose of this. Okay, so when you're doing your crypto gardening on Uniswap, you want to make sure that this bad boy right here is in the green, okay? Make sure it's always in the green, not the red, green. Okay, so it's in the green. Let's click on swap. We want to swap Ether for the link. Yes, ma'am. And then we click, and then you can check, your gas fees. Click on there. How far is it going far? This is your, anyway. Your gas price, okay. Hard to explain that one. Click next. You need to do your password or your fingerprint. So you've typed in your password and then your transaction has been submitted. You can either go and view it on Etherscan and then see how it's got your bubbles at the top. It's thinking, it's pending. You can either watch it there if you like or hekara. Or you can watch it here in your pending transaction. Yep, so it's got the green tick, it's all tickety boo. Let's go back to our wallet. Click on wallet. And then, so we just bought Chainlink, right? We just bought Chainlink and we can't see where the Chainlink is. You need to add it. You need to add it to your wallet to be able to see. So click on that plus sign there. They found 2 new tokens. Okay, let's click on add. We can add those. And then what we want to do is go up here to the search bar at the top. Search bar at the top. Oops. And we want to type in Chainlink or chain. Let that do its thing. And then you want to look at the symbols, okay? Don't just click on any Chainlink. Let's actually write in link. So so remember, this is the coin that we brought. You always see, look at that. That's got N-Link, S-Link, I-Link, but you want to go by the icon, okay? So all we have to do is click on the plus button now. Let it do its thing. And then we go back to our wallet. And then there you go. Bob is your auntie. Your Chainlink is there. It's in your wallet. You can see it. It's got $1 value. That's how much you brought. And remember, your guys' IamToken is in USD dollars. So Modiora, I hope that helped you iPhone users. Man, you guys need to get a Samsung. But if that's all you got working for you, well then that's all you got working for you. So yeah, that's how you guys will do your crypto gardening, which is through IamToken. Modiora.